Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama. Thank you, Mama, for always taking care of me. Thank you for making time for all the cuddles and kisses and hugs. Thank you for love. Thank you for always taking care of me when I'm hungry and when I'm poopy and I pee. Thank you. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday. I hope God blesses you with many birthdays to come filled with love and happiness. I wish Zoe and I could be there with you right now, but I'll be home soon and we'll be able to celebrate the holidays together. I miss you so much, Mom, but I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Mom. We love you. We hope you have a good day.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
To you.
Mama.
Will.
Ulit mo, dapat naman ang name.
Okay. Hello, Belle. Happy birthday. Sana maraming birthdays ba ang celebrate mo. At dapat lagi kang healthy. Ingatan mo ang sarili mo. We miss you. Sana magkita-kita ulit tayo soon na. Okay, thank you. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Regards sa lahat. Bye! Here's Maxine. Happy birthday! Say happy birthday,
Maxine,
Lola!
Maxine!
Say happy birthday, Lola!
No.
Okay, bye!
Happy birthday. Wish ko lang na palagi kang gabayan ni Lord sa lahat ng iyong ginagawa. Lalong-lalo na ang iyong health. At more birthday pa. At thank you at binigyan kami ng napakabait na kapatid. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hello, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? I'm Bilen, happy birthday. Nawa, gabayan ka pa ni Lord at bigyan ng mahabang buhay. Makita mong lumaki si Chloe at sa mga susunod mo pang mga apo. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Carey, Joseph, Zoe, Dan, and Leia.
Baby.
And baby Chloe.
Happy birthday ka, Belle. More birthdays to come. Wishing good health and long life.
Nawa, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na taon. Kasama niyo na si Chloe dito sa Pilipinas. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. At maraming salamat sa inyo. Sa lahat. Ingat kayo dyan. God bless.
And
We love you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday po, Tita Belle. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa pagpapatira po. Nawa po gabayan pa po kayo ni Yahweh El Shaddai ng malusog at malakas na pangangatawan. See you soon po sa Pinas. Pagkasama niyo na po si Chloe. Kamusta niyo na lang po kami kila Tito Reyes, kila Ate Zoe, Kuya Joseph, Kuya Dan, at kay Ate Leia. Lalo na po kay Baby Chloe. Ingat po kayo palagi. Happy birthday po ulit. Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Belen.
Kambilen, I wish you an abundance of happiness, love, and good health.
More birthdays to come po. Ingat and see you soon.
Ingat!
Happy birthday po, Tita Bel. Wish you all the best. Good health po. See you po sa Dubai.
Birthday, Bilen. Ingat kayo dyan. Dahil dyan. Happy birthday sa inyo. Kamusta kayong lahat yan?
Happy birthday po, Tita Bel. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan. God bless po and enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday po, Ninang Bel.
Happy birthday, Ninang Bel. Gusto ko lang din pong i-share sa inyo na gusto ko po yung napaka-genuine nyo po na tao. So, sana po lagi po kayong healthy. At yun lang po, sana laging masaya.
See you soon po.
See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Lola,
Yoga.
Again.
happy birthday.
Okay, to you.
Happy birthday.
Okay, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ay, laging malusog kayo ni Pierre at sana maraming birthday pa pagsalusaluhan natin kasama si Chloe. God bless you po. Ingat lagi. We love you. I miss you.
Basta kayo. I'm here with Dale. Come here.
Hi, Ninang Bel. Do you still remember me? I'm your anak from the land of Sicily. Well, anyway, I wish you a happy birthday, and I love you. Also, can you bring us some snacks to the USA?
From? It's just a joke. I don't think the USA.
I don't know.
It's just a joke.
Good grammar.
Okay. Okay, Kabel. I wish you a happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng magandang kalusugan at happiness kasama ang buong pamilya, lalo na with Chloe, ang new member ng family. At sana one day magkita-kita tayo. I hope makapasyal kayo dito sa Italy.
Wait, there's Chloe?
Chloe, the baby.
Oh,
The baby of Ate Lea.
okay.
Soon you'll meet her. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Bilen. Nawa ko ay bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at maraming biyaya upang makatulong ka pa sa ating kapwa. Maligayang kaarawan. God bless.
Birthday, mates, Bilin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello, Kabilen. Musta na? Happy birthday to you. Sana lagi ka na sa mabuting kalagayan dyan. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Musta kay Kare? Happy birthday uli. Sana marami pang kaarawan ng abutin mo. Ligtas sa anumang kapahamakan. God bless you always. Miss you. Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, BFF Kasin ko. Sana today as you celebrate your birthday, maging masaya ka with your family and with your friends. And ang wish ko sa'yo, magkaroon ka ng good health and of course, long life. Siyempre, may mga apo na tayo. Kailangan nating maging malakas para sa mga baby natin. Okay, yun. Sana magkaroon kayo ng chance uli na makauwi dito sa Philippines at magkita-kita tayong muli. Okay? Bye-bye! I love you!
Hi, Belen. Happy birthday. Wish we could have been there to celebrate with you, but maybe we can celebrate when we get there in November. I hope to see you soon and enjoy your birthday. Take care.
Birthday, Bilin!
Alam mo,
Happy birthday!